Yes, Ashwini from first standard has got third prize in sack race, second prize in Hindi poem recitation, third prize in Tamil speech, second prize in English speech, third prize in English poem recitation, first prize in table recitation, second prize in proverb recitation, second prize in drawing, and first prize in water filling.
Ma fourth standard students.
Next, M. Yogit from first standard has got second prize in eating challenge and third prize in English handwriting.
Fourth standard students.
P. Yuvasri from first standard has got second prize in eating challenge.
मैम కొంచెం మూవ్ పని అలాగే
H.S. Jashwin Raj from first standard has got third prize in eating challenge. A. Anushree from first standard has got third prize in eating challenge. T. Ashika Sri from first standard has got first prize in balloon blowing, first prize in flip the bottle, first prize in English handwriting, first prize in Tamil handwriting, second prize in singing, first prize in Tamil speech, second prize in proverb recitation.
हम அப்படியே பாருங்க அம்மா இங்க பாருங்க
Fourth standard Praveen.
Godishala Diya Dev from first standard has got first prize in musical chair, second prize in water filling, first prize in Hindi poem recitation, first prize in singing competition, first prize in drawing competition, and first prize in Tamil handwriting.
ఓకే
N. Ishan from first standard has got third prize in balloon blowing.
ఓకే
E. Dev Prasad from first standard has got second prize in bindi pasting and third prize in singing competition.
मैम
R. Darshini from first standard has got third prize in bindi pasting. K. Tanshika from first standard has got third prize in water filling, second prize in English handwriting, and third prize in Tirukural recitation. G. Sanjana from first standard has got second prize in flip the bottle. Yes, Varshika from first standard has got third prize in flip the bottle and second prize in Tamil handwriting. G. Pooja Sri from first standard has got first prize in bindi pasting, third prize in Hindi poem recitation, first prize in Tirukural recitation, second prize in Tamil speech, first prize in English speech, first prize in English poem recitation, third prize in tables recitation, first prize in proverb recitation, first prize in drawing, and first prize in Tamil handwriting.
அம்மா இங்க பாருங்க
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. S. Malati, MA B.Ed, to give away the certificates and medals to the sports day winners and academic performers. Second standard, E.K. Shakti from second standard has got first prize in lemon and spoon.
மேம் இங்க பாருங்க
M. Yarni Sri from second standard has got first prize in Tamil handwriting, second prize in lemon and spoon, third prize in flip the bottle, third third prize in Tirukural recitation, first prize in tables recitation, and third prize in proverb recitation.
Fifth standard student.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, Yarni from second standard has got
Fifth
first
standard
prize
student.
in bindi pasting, third prize in lemon and spoon, first prize in singing competition, second prize in Tirukural recitation, first prize in Tamil speech, first prize in English poem recitation, third prize in English speech, second prize in tables recitation, second prize in proverb recitation, and first prize in drawing. Yes, Dakshita from second standard has got first prize in running race and third prize in singing.
Ma'am, ma'am. Ma'am, இங்க பாருங்க. Ma'am, இங்க பாருங்க. Ma'am.
Next, SD Diksha from second standard has got second prize in Flip the Bottle, third prize in Tirukural recitation, third prize in Tamil speech, first prize in English speech, second prize in English poem recitation, and third prize in running race. M. Virushalini from second standard has got first prize in sack race, first prize in Flip the Bottle, second prize in Tamil speech, third prize in English poem recitation, and first prize in Tamil handwriting. P. Pranav Kati from second standard has got second prize in sack race, third prize in drawing, and first prize in Tamil handwriting.
Sarvesh.
Ma'am, இங்க பாருங்க.
Fifth standard Sarvesh.
K. Pradipan from second standard has got third prize in sack race and first prize in drawing competition.
Ma'am, இங்க பாருங்க, ma'am.
Siddharth. Fifth standard Siddharth.
Godishala Jasper Dev from second standard has got first prize in frog race, second prize in Tamil handwriting, and first prize in English handwriting.
Ma'am, இங்க பாருங்க, ma'am.
K. Harshada Sri from second standard has got third prize in frog race.
Ma'am, இங்க பாருங்க.
V. Lakshit Varan from second standard has got second prize in eating challenge, second prize in Tirukural recitation, second prize in English speech, and first prize in English composition.
ஒரு கார்டு காலையில்
இருக்கும் வேணா இன்னொரு கார்டு. Ma'am, இங்க பாருங்க, ma'am.
A. Prajan from second standard has got third prize in eating challenge and third prize in Hindi poem recitation.
Ma'am, இங்க பாருங்க, ma'am.
C. Shemant from second standard has got third prize in tables recitation and first prize in balloon blowing. B. Rupesh from second standard has got third prize in balloon blowing, first prize in Tirukural recitation, first prize in proverb recitation, second prize bindi pasting, and first prize in English handwriting. S.R. Nishit from second standard has got first prize in musical chair and third prize in English handwriting. Vinay Kumar Meena from second standard has got second prize in musical chair, second prize in drawing, first prize in Hindi poem recitation, and first prize in English handwriting.
Vishwat Paran.
K. Kanish from second standard has got second prize in Tamil poem recitation
UKG Vishwat
and
Paran.
third prize in bindi pasting. S. Kumaran from second standard has got first prize in water filling, second prize in singing, second prize in Hindi poem recitation, and third prize in Tamil handwriting. Yes, Yashika Charvi from second standard has got second prize in water filling. Next, B. Varnesh from second standard has got second prize in balloon blowing and second prize in English handwriting. Next, M. Pooja from second standard has got third prize in water filling. Next, T. Pratiksha Sri from third standard has got third prize in three-leg race, second prize in bindi pasting, second prize in Tirukural recitation, first prize in water filling, first prize in English speech, first prize in Hindi poem recitation, second prize in proverb recitation, first prize in Tamil speech, third prize in lemon and spoon, and first prize in English essay writing. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. S. Sangeeta BSc B.Ed to give away the certificates and medals to the winners. From third standard has got third prize in three-leg race, third prize in running race, third prize in English speech, second prize in Hindi poem recitation, second prize in Tamil speech, and first prize in English poem recitation. T. Gurali Sri from third standard has got third prize in progress and third prize in English handwriting. AP Ashita from third standard has got second prize in progress, second prize in English poem recitation, and third prize in drawing competition. M. Shivani Sri from third standard has got first prize in tables recitation, second prize in English handwriting, first prize in drawing, and second prize in running race. M. Darshan from third standard has got second prize in running race, second prize in singing, and third prize in English poem recitation. N. Prithviraj from third standard has got second prize in carom, second prize in running, and third prize in Tirukural recitation. B. Dharani from third standard has got first prize in carom, second prize in lemon and spoon, and third prize in singing. B. Arshida from third standard has got third prize in Tirukural recitation, second prize in drawing, second prize in tables recitation, second prize in English speech, first prize in bindi pasting, first prize in proverb recitation, and first prize in three-leg race. First prize in English handwriting and first prize in Tamil handwriting.